Hey, this is Joe Ward. I wanted to give you a rundown on the blog post that recently posted called Monetizing Your Streaming Platform Like Never Before. I think this is a really, really important subject, and just want to sort of take you through what this is really about because never has an opportunity been around to be able to, really monetize, your content at such a granular level with so many different things that you can control. And it's the edge, the Web3, watch to earn, the whole concept of a tokenized stream really brings it together. But I'll go through one by one. So one is the live wallet drops. So live wallet drops is a really interesting concept, right? Because what it does is it allows you to do like what we're doing here, where we can drop tokens in on a wallet, and here we're doing that with Babel Music and Poker and you can see there's 1,321 people watching right now, and Babel Music, and you can see down here Babel Music and Poker are the top paying channels, and that moves around because as if someone clicks on a channel, it moves a little bit of money out of that wallet, so that means it's always kind of shuffling around. But yeah, it's a very, very, very good way to have control over your monetization strategy. Two is the increased rate per hour. So here is the wallet system that I have, and it's called what we call it the Watch to Earn wallet management system, and it's looking up the wallet values right now of each of the channels. And I actually manage this myself. I'm not a developer or anything like that, but I do. I do manage, all the products side of things. So, and the economics, the tokenomics, and so here you can see, for example, on Poker there's 1,139 people watching right now, and 171,000 tokens in the wallet. And so that's the thing that really keeps it going. And so I can fund that now with more tokens and do it that way. And so what happens is the wallet balance comes down 50% every month. So it actually theoretically never runs out. But when you put it in, it starts to slowly go out to the viewers. And then it also puts 12.5% into the referrals wallet and 12.5% to the stakings wallet. And the referral pools, which I just mentioned. So having referrals, to the users so that they can refer their friends. And we can boost that at any time and tell everybody, hey, we just like we do a wallet drop, hey, we just dropped some tokens in the referral pool. The token price is something that you can always go and buy tokens back. So you can buy them back, and you can help boost the price by participating in it and circulating some dollars into the ecosystem, and creating some excitement. Yeah, so the token redemption. So another one is being able to have the users be able to pay for premium content. So when they're watching content, they can just go, hey, I want to watch something here, and I want to pay for it, and I want to be ad free. So token rewards for gamified live TV. So just the idea that we can pay people, and boost their wallets. And I'll do that here right now. So here I'm going to scan the QR code on the screen, and I'm going to start the gamified setup. So this is very cool. So I'm just opening up my camera, and I'm opening up this in Chrome, and here you can see that the balance is 300 tokens on the screen, and then I can also see the same thing here on my phone. So I can see the balance right here. So you can see here, for example, if I can focus in on that, there's 300 tokens, and then I can even unmute or mute, for example. Very cool. So it's really, really good stuff. I'll pause that now. And yeah, and so a gamified structure I think is really exciting, and to keep people glued to it. For example, imagine it was golf, and for example, you choose your competitor or your team. In the case of someone like Live Golf, where you choose the team up front, and then every time that team or the competitor gets a birdie or a hole in one or an eagle or wins the actual match, then you get paid. So it's as hot as you can imagine. And sponsored live wallet drops. So similar to live wallet drops, but then getting the sponsor can then encourage you to scan the QR code, use the remote control of the second screen, and then click on their ad. Which is super hot too. So auto staking, number 8 here is the watch to earn function does auto stake. Show what's going on with the staking in real time. Actually, I can do a little demo of that here on the Amazon Fire TV with Freebie TV. So on the top right, you can see where it says staked and estimated APY. So the staking just happens. So as long as you don't sell the tokens, that means all you can do to increase your staking is to keep watching. And then the amount of tokens that you got will start earning interest, and but you can just watch, and it just works. So very cool. So yeah, there's the 8 things that I think that's been highlighted very clearly that is all new, and they're all the types of things that you want to be doing. You want your audience to participate in a financial way and value their time by paying for their time, but get them to participate, get them to refer, get them to stake, get them to do gamification, get them to buy premium content, because subscriptions won't be here forever. And it's important to jump on the bandwagon, because I can see a time where people say, I just don't buy subscriptions anymore. And it's not an easy thing to walk backwards from in a couple of years' time, when you could have been doing it right now. But anyway, they're the 8 things. Please email me anytime, joe@forwardpeople.com, joe@edgevideo.com. I'm also on Telegram. I'm on Aussie Joe, OZE Joe, on Telegram. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please stay in touch.